We're here at Dish Magic to see how to install a Dish Magic antenna on a satellite dish.
Hello, I'm Mike, and we're going to talk about how to install a Dish Magic satellite dish adapter on a satellite dish today. The first thing we're going to do is get rid of the satellite receiver. And unscrew the wires on the back. Just going to unplug it and move it out of the way, because we're done with paying for TV. Now we're going to come out to the dish. We're going to need a few basic tools. We're going to need a cordless drill with a 3/8 drill bit, combination wrench, open-end adjustable wrench, bastard file, Phillips screwdriver, and a pair of dies. As you can see here on the back of the dish, we've got 3 screws that we've got to loosen up here. Loosen this one. We'll loosen this one. We're going to spin the dish around. Take out these screws. Remove the LMB. Unscrew this wire right here. We're going to set the LMB aside. Don't throw it away. The satellite company might want you to send it back. We're going to take this wire out. And we're going to take the dish off of the mini mast. Then we're going to take our satellite dish adapter and set it on the dish. Try and center it around these screws right here. Just hold your finger there where you're going to drill the hole. Drill the hole. Take your file and file off any burrs that might be there. Then we're going to take our end wrench and we're going to set our skew and elevation. And loosen these screws right here. And if you look, there's a gauge right here and you want to set that at 90 degrees. Tighten this back up. And we want to loosen these 2 screws here and here. And now we're going to set our elevation at 25 degrees. Tighten back up. Set the dish back on the mini mast. And take the weather seal off of our adapter. We're going to take off this nut and washer. We're going to put this through the hole we drilled. And we're going to put our washer on. Put our nut on here. You can use the end wrench on this side because it's smaller. And then I'll tighten this up with the open-end adjustable wrench. Don't tighten it so tight you break the fitting. Just tighten it good and snug. Check to make sure you're centered. You have 4 hinge points here to make sure this is parallel with the dish. Now we'll put the weather seal on. And aim this around towards the translators. Tighten these nuts back up. And we will connect the wire to the adapter. You can hold the matching transformer in front so it don't move. Just make this finger tight. There's no reason to come out and break it with a wrench. Now we're going to turn the TV around. And we're going to unscrew cable from the tuner. We'll set it aside and we'll screw in the cable coming from the satellite dish. We'll turn the TV on. Notice the TV's on AV for audio video. We have to select the TV input. And we have to go in the menu. We have to look for auto channel search or channel scan here somewhere in the menu. So I'm going to move across the top of the menu. Here I have auto search. I have to make sure that this is on antenna, not cable. Then I will go down here, auto search, and you're done and you're watching free TV. Thank you, and for the next video we're going to compare signal strength of satellite dishes to conventional antennas.